Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. For today's video, we have our Play by Sephora box for the month of October. I know this one is a little bit late, but for some reason this one gets to me super late every single month. I don't understand why, but it always happens. But we finally have it here today, and for those of you that don't know about this box, I'm gonna open it as I tell you guys. For those of you that don't know about this box, this one is $10 a month. It is a subscription box, and you are set to get 5 to 6 luxury, I believe they're luxury items, and you get a bonus along with a little bag that they put in every month. It's always the same, so nothing really to look forward to. And ooh, I see something different now. So along with everything that they give you a little pamphlet giving you information about the products that you have in here. And before, they used to give you a 50 point card, which meant that every time you went in store and purchased something, they gave you extra 50 points. But now we have 20% off. If you ask me, I'd rather take 20% off than 50 extra points, because this is money off of a product that you want, and the other one pretty much just gave you points towards the little tiny deluxe size samples, or sometimes they weren't even deluxe size, just small samples that they had that you can trade your points in for, which, you know, didn't really give you much of a benefit or a reward. But this time we have a 20% off. So let's see what items they included in our box. So like I mentioned, they always give us a little plastic bag like this. It just kind of changes from colors. This time it's blue, it's been red, it's been yellow, it's been pink. You know, it's been all kinds of different colors. So this time it's blue, and let me just go inside and take the first one out. And our first one is something that I have received before. And it is a kale and green tea spinach vitamins. And it is a superfood cleanser. So I actually used this one before. It is a very, very tiny sample. So I guess I can say it was okay for my skin. I didn't notice any major crazy good changes because of the size of this. And it is from Youth to the People. I forgot to mention the brand that they are from, but this is from Youth to the People. And it's supposed to be, you know, a really good cleanser because it's made from all, you know, organic and vegetable stuff. So this is our first item. Let me see what we have next. I'll pull this one here. It is Dr. Andrew Wheel for Origins, and this is a mega mushroom relief and resilience. It is a soothing treatment lotion. Okay, so it just says shake well, pat on clean dry skin with a cotton pad or your fingertips in the AM or PM. So they also give us this little pamphlet here that gives you information on the products and also tips. So on here it just says, ideal for these times when your skin needs to simmer down. This light calming lotion uses a mushroom-infused formula to reduce the look of redness. Okay, so that gives me a lot more information than the bottle did, which is why I'm happy that they give us this little pamphlet as well. But my skin does get really red really easily, so this is something that I guess will come in really, really handy, especially when I work out or, you know, I'm outside. My skin does get really, really red. So I hope that would help calm it down a little bit. So I'm excited to try that one out. So I'll go back in here and, oh, okay. So I already used this one, so I already know I'm going to like it. And it is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So this is what the packaging looks like. And honestly, I have been using the Urban Decay setting spray. I'm gonna say setting spray for I don't know how long. It's been years. This is pretty much the one that I have used for, I guess I can say, ever since I started using setting sprays, because this one does not make my skin oily, and it does help my makeup stay a lot longer than any of the other ones. So it's just a small tiny little spray bottle, But like I said, I already know that I'm going to like this one because I already used it. So let me go back in here. Let me grab this one. Oh, okay. Again, another thing that I know I will use, and it is from DP Hue, and it is an apple cider vinegar hair mask. So I like to, use a lot of masks on my hair because I don't like it when my hair gets really dry and, starts breaking off. So I know I'm actually going to really use this one. And it just says it repairs and conditions your hair. So that is item number 4. I believe that's going to be our bonus item that they call, because it's usually like in a little foil packet. Up next, we have this small little lotion from Shiseido. I don't know how to pronounce that. But this is a clear mega hydrating cream. This is what our little packaging looks like. And since it is see-through, I can see that this thing is only filled up like halfway. So let me see if you guys can tell. So half of this, the bottom half is full, and then the top half is completely empty. So this is a very, very tiny sample. So, and if you touch it, it just feels almost like a jello kind of thing. And it feels really, really thick. So putting it on your face will really hydrate it. So I know this is something I'm not going to use because I can already feel it leaves almost like an oily kind of like residue behind. So I know this is going to make my skin super duper oily. So I will for sure pass this one on. And we are down to our very last item. And it is a very tiny, tiny little sample from Tarte. And it is a Quench Hydrating Primer. So I've received maybe like one other one of this one, but I have also not used it because just the name Quench, and it is a hydrating primer. I can already tell just from that it's gonna make my skin oily, and my makeup is gonna just, fall off. But this one here is our last item from our box. Sephora can sometimes include some really good items in the box, but then sometimes it's just like a total miss. For this box, I know I'm gonna use obviously the setting spray, the Origins, the mask, and this face wash. So that just leaves me with 2 items that I'm gonna pass on. So I mean, for $10, I can say it's not bad. Plus you get a 20% off coupon in the box that you can use for your next beauty purchase. So this one, I can't say it was good, but then I can't say it was bad. This one was just like right in between that. It's like, okay, let's see what the next month brings. So let me know what you guys think down below. Those are all the products from the box. And that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys all next time. Bye.